Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to talk today about spirituality and how to bring it into our day-to-day lives. I've been working a lot regarding this because I found out that somehow, somehow, with all our wisdom, we end up doing one workshop after another, one healing after another, and it's just no end to it. And it's quite difficult sometimes to bring this to our day-to-day lives, to really start to embody this wisdom that we already have. And I was wondering why is that so difficult? I mean, I was the other day just I mean I did a lot of workshops. I have been to a lot of communities, been doing healings, channelings, a lot, meditations, activations, you name it. And right now I'm starting to be able to actually change my life. But for many years, I've been doing all this and always having the same patterns one and another time. And I wasn't really able to see why all this wasn't working, because it was like, okay, I did this workshop and I did this healing because for instance, I'll give you an example, it's always easier. I was always very shy. So, okay, I'm going to see this healing for being able to express myself freely. I did some workshops, find your own voice. I mean, a lot. I did a lot. And the truth is, I was still not very able to actually express myself. And instead of going inside, what I was doing, and I figured this out later, is that what I was doing is I finished that workshop. I saw that and then I thought something is still missing, and there is a part that I'm still missing. I have to do another workshop, or I have to go to that retreat, because maybe with this retreat I will be able to change that. And then I went to the retreat. I did the retreat, and it looks like, okay, I'm aware of a lot of things. But what happens is that when I come back into my life and I go to a group, I'm still having a lot of problems to actually talk. And this helps. I mean, this happened several times. And I start saying, okay, I'm missing something here, because I began to see that the next workshop is not the answer. And then I say, okay, what am I going to do now? Because it come to a point that I said, okay, I did so many things. I mean, something is not, I'm missing something is not working. What is happening? And I just, well, it came to my mind and say intuition, guidance, look inside. And it was this small thing that I was missing, because I was doing this workshop, this other one, okay, that retreat, that healing, that activation, and every time I was going outside. And another thing that was happening is I was doing one after the other. There was not a lot of time between them, because I did one, I saw it was, oh, okay, something is still missing, because I still not able to express freely myself. So, oh, I'll do this other one, and then the other, oh, okay, the other one for sure. So you see that it's like one another, and there's not really a time for the integration. It's really, really important. I know this now. And there was missing the embodiment part, is bringing this awareness to your body, bringing this down into your life, just by seeing this pattern, being aware when it happens, and start observing what is really going on in your life. It's like all the time that I was outside doing that workshop, I started to come inside and seeing the pattern real life while it was happening. Okay? So what's the difference, you say? Is that I was beginning to come back to myself. I was beginning to see that inside of me, I already had all the answers. And that actually I didn't need another workshop to figure this out. What was missing is for me to go inside myself and see the answer that was already there. Because this is one of the things, that I wanted to talk today. The searching outside, like if we didn't even trust that we know the answer already. Like the others know. No, you don't, and the others will tell you what you need to do. And sometimes it's not, because there is a balance to it. It's not just don't look anyone else and just go with yourself. It's the balance. It's just, okay, you did this workshop, you saw what this person told you. Now, instead of going to the next one, come inside. Now, see your own wisdom, because this workshop is going to help you to see things differently. But if you don't come down, if you don't really bring this awareness into what's going on in your life right now, what's going on in your life now, like right now, let's make a pause and see how you have your body. Are you in your body or are you in your mind? This small awareness that I have been doing some videos already about this allows you to being able to bring this wisdom that you have from so many workshops and channelings and meditation experience. Bring this back to yourself. Bring this back to your body. Bring this to your day-to-day with the awareness. The awareness helps you to see the pattern in real time. Like, for instance, I use this example of me having problems to express myself. The other day I went into a group meeting, and there I was. We were a group of 5 people, and my normal pattern is I don't say a word. Or if I say just a few. And it's a pity, because I know I have so many things that I would like to share with people. But I'm so shy, and I said, oh no, I can't do it. But you see, that's it, right? You did the healing, you did the workshop, and now there it is, your opportunity to put that into action. Just do it. And I saw, how difficult it was really for me. But as I was aware, because I'm doing this, I'm coming back, I was aware of what was happening. I said, oh my God, here I am. Now I have the opportunity to do something different. And I did. I take the word, I say what I had to say. And what happened to me, I was interrupted by someone else. And oh my God. And then I saw again the pattern. Oh, I was interrupted. I didn't take the word again. I didn't come back again to speak, because I said, oh no, maybe it's not interesting. You know, all these things that happens in your mind. Oh, maybe it's not that interesting. Oh, of course the others no more. Same pattern. So, but you keep seeing it, and that's how you bring it. Let's bring this to your real life, right? And I was seeing it real time, and I said, oh, you know what? I'm going to talk again. And then I just I interrupted that person. I said, no, I think that whatever. Okay, I expressed my opinion regarding the issue. So that was something new for me, because normally when someone else interrupted me, I just retreat. No, I won't speak again. That's me. But we all have, if it's not that your issue, it will be something else. But we all have these small patterns that happens one time and again, and doesn't matter how many workshops you do, you keep doing them. Why is not working? Because this was missing, at least for me, you know, this coming back to your body, see how you're feeling, see how your body is because the body tells us a lot. No, you see how is it their attention? What is going on with you right now? And with this, you start having this awareness, and you can make new choices, and you can actually start bringing all this into your real life. And it's very helpful, because now I finally feel that I'm being able to reapply all this wisdom that I have after so many years, because I really start really young. Just I always liked spirituality. I was in everyone. Oh, I just love it. But my life didn't change a lot, I have to say. Actually, I have two different lives. It was like the spiritual life, and then I have my day-to-day life where I go to work and so on. And there was like two different lives. And I'm starting to really be able to bring it all together. And it's bringing together is okay, now I see the pattern, how can I change it? Now I see, oh, okay, I can choose differently. Well, it's necessary a bit of courage as well, because when you're doing something different, of course, the first reaction is, oh, I'm a bit frightened, you know, what will other people think, what is going to happen, I feel a bit exposed. So yeah, so that's the beauty of it, because you do one, you do twice, and then you end up seeing that it's not so difficult. You know what? I can do this. I can, and the next meeting, I'm able to speak a bit more, and so on. So this is where you really begin to bring all this knowledge, all this wisdom we have into our day-to-day lives. And it's so important, because this way you will also be starting to help other people, because you will be changing. And this is when this happens, the others start saying, oh, what's going on with him, with her? And you start, and they come to ask you, what's going on? You see, you change a lot, and then you can speak about this. And this is how it's like we help each other. We help each other. And this is the kind of work I'm doing. I'm helping people bring this awareness, come back to the body, integrate what you already know. Bring all this wisdom into the world, you know, and it's so needed because we're in a difficult time. So all this can help us, can help others, and we have so much wisdom, really. It's a pity that when it stays only in the mind, only in, oh, I know I could do that, but I don't actually put it into action. And it's possible. It's the awareness. It's just being back in your bodies. It's coming back to the present moment. Anyway, I would like to say that if you like my content, I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe, because I want to grow my channel so that I can reach and help more people. And I will leave in the description below my website, so if you resonate with my content, reach out. Sending you lots of love and see you in the next video.